Hey, this is Carl Bradley with University of Kentucky. I'm looking at some red crown rot, which is a kind of a new disease to parts of Kentucky and Illinois, and maybe a few other states might be added here pretty soon as well. You can see the symptoms here. It's intervenal chlorosis and necrosis, where those veins stay green. Looks like a few other diseases that we get, like sudden death syndrome, southern stem canker, a few other things that can cause this as well. Brown stem rot would be another one that would be found a little bit further north. But we're seeing some of this today, and you can see the intervenal chlorosis and necrosis there. This is kind of what it looks like at the beginning, where you get some yellow flecks in between the veins, and some of that starts turning into chlorosis. And then you can see the necrotic or dead areas in some of these leaves here. The other thing that we're starting to see as well is some plants are so badly affected that they're dying prematurely. So this can certainly cause some yield loss whenever you've got plants that are dying this early, where there's just little pods on there and probably going to be very little seed at all being produced in those pods. Another symptom that you can find right now would be this reddish discoloration on the lower stem and roots. Eventually, you will also see some fruiting bodies called perithecia that will form in those areas, but I'm not seeing any of that yet, at least in this particular field. So, something to watch out for. Be sure that you contact your local plant disease diagnostic lab if you've got samples that are looking like this, or some soybean plants that look sick. Like I said, this can look like other things, so it's important to know what you got. Thanks.